Italy is a country located in southern Europe and is home to some of the world's most iconic cities. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the canals of Venice, Italy has something for everyone. The country is known for its delicious cuisine, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture. Italy is also home to some of the world's most beautiful beaches. Italy is famous for world's best pizza and pasta. Surrounded on three sides by water, and with two offshore islands larger than some countries, it's no wonder Italy is famed for its beaches. Whatever your taste in beach resorts, you're likely to find it somewhere here. So in this video, we are going to talk about 10 best places to visit in Italy or things to do in Italy. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Naples. Naples, Italy is a popular tourist destination for its stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea, its vibrant culture, and its delicious cuisine. The city is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Europe, with crystal clear waters and white sand. Visitors can explore the historic city center, which is filled with ancient monuments, churches, and palaces. The city is also known for its vibrant nightlife, with a variety of bars and clubs to choose from. Naples is also home to some of the best pizza in the world, as well as other traditional Italian dishes. With its stunning views, vibrant culture, and delicious cuisine, Naples is a must-visit destination for any traveler. Number 9. Italian Lake District. The Italian Lake District is a stunning region of Italy that is known for its beautiful lakes, picturesque villages, and breathtaking mountain scenery. It is located in the northern part of the country and is home to some of the most popular tourist destinations in Italy. Visitors to the area can enjoy a variety of activities, from hiking and biking to sailing and swimming. The area is also known for its excellent cuisine, with many restaurants offering traditional Italian dishes. There are also plenty of cultural attractions to explore, such as the many churches and castles that dot the landscape. Whether you're looking for a relaxing holiday or an adventure-filled getaway, the Italian Lake District is the perfect destination for your next vacation. Number 8. Sicily. Sicily is a beautiful Italian island located in the Mediterranean Sea. It is known for its stunning beaches, ancient ruins, and vibrant culture. Sicily is a popular tourist destination for travelers from all over the world. Visitors can explore the many archaeological sites, such as the Valley of the Temples and the Greek Theater of Syracuse. They can also take in the stunning views of Mount Etna, the highest active volcano in Europe. For those looking for a more relaxed experience, Sicily offers plenty of opportunities for relaxation and leisure. From its picturesque beaches to its quaint villages, Sicily is a great place to unwind and enjoy the Italian lifestyle. With its rich history, stunning scenery, and vibrant culture, Sicily is a must-visit destination for any traveler. Number 7. Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre. Italy is a stunningly beautiful region located on the Italian Riviera. It is known for its 5 picturesque fishing villages, each with its own unique charm and character. The villages are connected by a network of trails and paths that offer breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. Cinque Terre is a popular destination for tourists who come to enjoy the stunning scenery, delicious local cuisine, and vibrant culture. Visitors can explore the villages on foot or by boat and take in the breathtaking views of the coastline. There are also plenty of activities to enjoy, such as swimming, kayaking, and sailing. With its stunning scenery, delicious food, and vibrant culture, Cinque Terre is a must-visit destination for anyone looking for a unique and unforgettable experience. Number 6. Milan. Milan, Italy is a popular tourist destination for travelers from around the world. The city is known for its fashion, art, and culture. It is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, such as the Duomo di Milano, La Scala Opera House, and the Sforza Castle. Visitors can explore the city's many museums, galleries, and churches, or take a stroll through the cobblestone streets of the historic center. Milan is also home to some of Italy's best restaurants and nightlife. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway or an exciting city break, Milan has something for everyone. Number 5. The Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast of Italy is one of the most beautiful and popular tourist destinations in the world. With its stunning views, picturesque villages, and crystal-clear waters, it's no wonder why so many people flock to this area each year. From the colorful fishing villages of Positano and Amalfi to the breathtaking views of the Sorrento Peninsula, the Amalfi Coast has something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway or an adventure-filled holiday, the Amalfi Coast has it all. From its stunning beaches and coves to its charming towns and villages, the Amalfi Coast is a must-visit destination for any traveler. With its unique culture, delicious cuisine, and breathtaking scenery, the Amalfi Coast is sure to provide you with an unforgettable experience. Number 4. Pompeii. Pompeii, Italy is a popular tourist destination for those looking to explore the ruins of an ancient Roman city. Located near Naples, Pompeii was destroyed by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. The city was buried under ash and pumice, preserving it in its original state. Today, visitors can explore the ruins of the city, including its temples, amphitheaters, and villas. Pompeii is also home to some of the best preserved frescoes in the world. Visitors can also explore the nearby archaeological sites of Herculaneum and Oplontis, which were also destroyed by the eruption. Pompeii is a great destination for those looking to explore the history and culture of ancient Rome. Number 3. Venice. Venice, Italy is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Located in the Veneto region of northern Italy, Venice is a city built on water. It is made up of 118 small islands connected by canals and bridges. Venice, Italy is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. With its winding canals, stunning architecture, and unique culture, it's no wonder why so many people flock to this beautiful city. From the iconic street marked square to the breathtaking Grand Canal, Venice offers something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway or an exciting adventure, Venice has it all. From the world-famous gondola rides to the delicious Italian cuisine, there's something for everyone in this magical city. With its unique culture and stunning scenery, Venice is sure to be a memorable experience for any traveler. Number 2. Tuscany. Tuscany, Italy is a popular tourist destination for its stunning landscapes, delicious cuisine, and rich cultural heritage. From the rolling hills of Chianti to the stunning coastline of the Mediterranean Sea, Tuscany offers something for everyone. Visitors can explore the region's many vineyards and wineries, sample the local cuisine, and take in the breathtaking views of the countryside. Tuscany is also home to some of Italy's most famous cities, including Florence, Siena, and Pisa. With its stunning architecture, vibrant art scene, and world-renowned museums, Florence is a must-see for any traveler. Siena is known for its medieval architecture and cobblestone streets, while Pisa is home to the iconic Leaning Tower. No matter what your interests are, Tuscany has something to offer everyone. Number 1. Rome. Rome, Italy is a city full of history and culture. From the ancient ruins of the Colosseum to the Vatican City, Rome is a must-see destination for any traveler. The city is also home to some of the best food in the world, with its famous pizza, pasta, and gelato. Rome is also known for its vibrant nightlife, with plenty of bars and clubs to explore. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway or an adventure-filled vacation, Rome has something for everyone. With its stunning architecture, delicious cuisine, and vibrant culture, Rome is a city that will leave you with unforgettable memories. Thanks for watching. Tell us in comment section which country's tour guide you want next.